welcome to my channel. I am Tishasaurus and I'm here to do another hair review. Today I'm doing a hair review on the company Wigsbuy. This is the box that the hair came in. They sent me 3 bundles of 12-inch body wave. Alright, so let's just get into it. First off, besides the bundles being in the package, they also sent me 2 weaving caps. That's the packaging it came in. And I took one out already. I just wanted to, because I never used this type of weaving cap, so it's pretty neat. So, sent 2 of these. They sent me a cute little comb. And they sent me 6 clips. Like the clip-in clips. 6 of those. And they also had a cute little thank you card inside of the box. Come on, focus. There we go. A cute thank you card. Focus. All right, let's get into the hair. I already took them out of the packaging. I already took them out, so. Look at that. Okay, a little bounce. And this is a lot of hair on this bundle. It's really a lot of hair. When you get shorter hair, there's a lot more hair on bundles versus like if I would have had a 20-inch, it'd be a little bit smaller. But this is definitely a lot of hair. Definitely can double weft this. I'm gonna make a wig out of this. Doesn't have a smell at all. I love a new hair, guys. Number 2, 3. Pick number 3, my lord. This is the 3rd one. Alright. It's a nice, cute little wave. Look at that bottom, though. Whoa. This is really nice hair. They also have more than just bundles on their site. They also have plenty of wigs, like a numerous amount of wigs on their site. But I was sent out these beautiful bundles. Bundles of joy. But yeah, I'm definitely going to make a wig out of this. I don't think I'm going to keep it for myself because my mom has been wanting a wig made for such a long time. And she always, say how I don't make her a wig. So I'm going to make her a wig. So, but then she's probably not gonna wear it, so I'm gonna probably end up wearing it anyways. But I just, definitely gonna wear a wig because I don't do sew-ins. I don't get sew-ins anymore. So now I just wear wigs, take them off, boom, So, yeah, definitely making a wig out of this. That's a lot of hair. Definitely gonna have to double. Definitely gonna have to double. Yeah, and the hair came earlier than I expected. The day I was moving out to move in my dorm at school, because I'm at school right now, it was literally on the porch. So the porch, 9 o'clock that morning, I was so happy because I was like, I was not expecting it. So it really just boosted my whole mood for the day. I was like, okay, girl, got some new hair in. So yeah, it was lit. I was so happy. So yeah, my mom, I showed her the hair. She was so happy. She was like, oh, this feels good. I was like, yeah, no, girl. So definitely I'm going to make her a wig out of this. So she's going to love it. Because if she don't, I'm going to wear it. But with this, it's going to give me a cute little bob. Cute bob. Yeah, cute bob. So yeah. Wanted to do a review on this hair. Initial unboxing. It's not really unboxing because I already took it out of the package, but it came out of UPS, but I took it out of that and then, But yeah, it's really nice hair, you guys. You guys should definitely order from the site. Don't just, look at the bundles. There's several wigs on there. Like, get you a wig. Wigs are in. Okay, wigs are in, wigs are us. Wiggy, 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 wigging. Yeah, Wigsbuy. Buy from Wigsbuy. Bye. Thank you guys for watching this very short review. Because I know a lot of people don't like watching long reviews, because I know I don't. Let's get to the point, sis. Sake. But yeah, I am really in love with this company. And they're awesome with communication. Definitely awesome with communication. But I'm going to make a wig out of this, and I would say I'm going to make a video of me making a wig, but I don't think I want to do that. That's a lot. And it don't take me long to make a wig. It takes me about like 2 or 3 hours if I'm on it. But yeah, can't wait to make this. I'm going to start on this tonight. Yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and order from Wigsbuy. Goodbye.